Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best carpet cleaners available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Bissell JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. After several iterations of testing in the lab, the Bissell JetScrub 25,299 Upright Pet Carpet Cleaning is still without a doubt our top recommendation for a carpet cleaner. It offers numerous cleaning settings, a pre-treatment function, and a floor head LED light. You will truly use it in your home to suction up stains, dirt, and other things because it is portable enough. Since the upright appliance was ready to use as soon as they opened the package, our testers initially gave it a perfect score for ease of setup. Our tester gave it a 4-star rating for setup time after retesting it because the directions lacked clarity, but the parts still fit together without a hitch. When not in use, this cleaner may be stored in a small closet, thanks to its storage mat and folding handle. At number 2 is the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is made to attack difficult stains as well as loosen and absorb pet hair from your carpets. We think it's an excellent value at the cheaper price. The PowerSpin Pet Antimicrobial Brush Roll, which embeds bristles into carpet and rug fibers to loosen and collect hair, would be appreciated by pet owners. Although Hoover has provided a cleaning tool to help with the unpleasant task, cleaning this brush roll can be difficult. At home and in the lab, we put this pick to the test. This carpet cleaner removed a fresh coffee stain in only one forward pass during product testing at the lab, however it took more work to remove set-in stains. We recommend properly sweeping out any obvious 3D stains beforehand because it dragged the potting soil. At number 3 on our list is the Bissell Big Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is a version of the company's Big Green commercial cleaning device that is made especially to deal with pet stains and associated odors. This machine simply needed a little connecting and was essentially ready to use right out of the box. It wasn't too tough to move around, according to our tester, and it felt simple enough to operate. The fresh coffee stain was fully erased after just 3 wet cleanings, and the red wine, chocolate, and dirt stains were almost completely gone. The wine stain vanished after 3 additional wet and dry cleaning cycles. Our tester employed the wet-dry attachment to eliminate the final 2 stains. This result was still outstanding even though they used a handheld vacuum to remove any extra dirt and hair initially. Moving up at number 4 is the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Pet owners are aware that their furry friends make their own unique set of messes, so we suggest the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner for any deep cleaning requirements including pet feces. An 8-ounce bottle of Rug Doctor's Pure Power Pet Stain and Odor Cleaning Solution is included when you order this cleaner from their website, but you may also buy it separately. This compact but powerful device was functional right out of the box and easy to operate. The suction power of this machine was more powerful than the coffee stain, and it removed it after just 1 pass. After 1 pass, the red wine, chocolate, and dirt stains were nearly entirely eliminated. The other 3 stains were all faded to faint shadows after a second pretreatment and 2 further applications. At number 5 is the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro will satisfy anyone looking for a deep cleaning machine with simple-to-use features and potent cleaning capability. With 2 cleaning settings, this upright carpet cleaner is versatile. While the Express Clean setting uses less formula and water for quicker drying periods, the Max Clean setting is suitable for cleaning highly stained carpeting. In our product testing, this model unquestionably cleaned the best once it had been correctly constructed. This cleaner lost its earlier position as our top pick due to the mediocre assembly procedure and size. However, this is a great option if you routinely deal with stubborn stains, need to clean a large area, and have the room to put this machine in a utility room or garage. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.